At 24/7 Emergency Dumpsters, we understand that efficient waste management is crucial for keeping construction sites safe, productive, and compliant. Our team has worked with industry professionals to develop optimized waste solutions that directly support your project outcomes. In this guide, we share key strategies for reducing costs and enhancing site efficiency, from selecting the right dumpster size and strategic placement to setting up recycling stations and tracking fill levels to prevent overloading. With a commitment to safety, sustainability, and round-the-clock support, 24/7 Emergency Dumpsters is here to meet your waste management needs every step of the way.